Hi friends, Miss Fryvogel here. Today you will need a pencil and a notebook or a piece of paper for our lesson. We are going to be learning about prefixes today. Prefixes are added at the beginning of a word to make a new word. We can use these word parts to help us figure out any new words that we see. Let's look at some examples. We have repack, unhappy, and disobey. Each of the prefixes is highlighted. So each of those word parts changes the meaning of the word. So repack means to pack again. Re, the prefix, means again. And when you put it in front of pack, it means to pack again. Un, in front of happy, means not happy. Un, the prefix, means not. When you put it in front of happy, becomes not happy or unhappy. And disobey. Dis means the opposite of. When you put it in front of obey, it means that you're doing the opposite of obeying someone or you're disobeying them. So seeing those prefixes can help us figure out what those words mean. Go ahead and write down your prefix chart. Prefixes we're looking at today are re, un, and dis. Re means again, un means not, and dis means the opposite of. We're going to go ahead and work with those prefixes today. When you figure out a new word, you can always look for a prefix or word part at the beginning of the word. We're going to go through each sentence, and we're going to circle the prefix in each underlined word and then circle the meaning of the word. So we're going to use each of the prefixes that we see to help us figure out what the meaning of the word is. For number 1, the sound is discontinued when the strings stop moving. Our underlined word is discontinued. I see our prefix at the beginning, dis, D-I-S. I remember from our chart that dis means opposite. So I'm going to highlight our meaning that discontinued means the opposite of continued. For number 2, cover and uncover the finger holes using keys. Our underlined word is uncover, and our prefix is un, U-N. Un, I remember from my chart, means not cover, so I'm going to highlight not. Go ahead and do number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Number 3, it has an uneven number of vowels. Uneven is our underlined word. Find the prefix and write what uneven means. Does it mean not even or even again? Number 4, let's review the instruments. Review is our underlined word. We need to find the prefix and the meaning of the word review. Does it mean to view again or to not view? And number 5, no one can disagree. Our underlined word is disagree. Find the prefix and find the meaning. Does it mean the opposite of agree or agree again? When you're ready to review them, click play. For number 3, our prefix in uneven is un, which means not, so not even is our meaning. Number 4, our word review, re, R-E is our prefix, and that means again, so our meaning is view again. And number 5, our underlined word is disagree. Our prefix is dis, and that means opposite. So our meaning is opposite of agree. All right, using that, we're going to go ahead and find our prefixes and identify them in each sentence. Go ahead and write 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your paper. I'm going to read each sentence and circle the word that has a prefix. So you're going to write the word with a prefix next to numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll do number 1 for you as an example. When the strings stop moving, the sound is discontinued. Looking for a word that has a prefix, I see it at the end, discontinued. Go ahead, 2, 3, 4 on your own. Number 2, at the same time, you cover and uncover the finger holes with the keys. Number 3, it has an uneven number of valves that change the notes. And number 4, no one can disagree. Go ahead and get those written down and click play when you're ready to continue. Okay, For number 2, we have uncover. What does uncover mean? Do you remember what un means? Our prefix means not, so not cover. Number 3, uneven. Un means not, so it is not even. And number 4, disagree. Can you remember what the prefix dis means? It means the opposite of, so opposite of agree. All right, before you go today, you're going to complete letter B. Use each word you circled above to write about a musical instrument. Go ahead and write about 4 sentences using our words that we highlighted with our prefixes: discontinued, uncover, uneven, and disagree. Go ahead and circle your word with the prefix when you are writing. I will see you soon. Great job today.